Okay, I'm so excited that you just clicked on this button. This is the beginning of the end of your struggles with the ADHD behavior. This whole little picture here that I got going on, these are the 9 steps to ending the stress with the behavior. It is the 9 things that I wish someone had told me when Dasha was first diagnosed. It is the 9 things that I struggled with over the last 10 years. And it's everything that I've learned and studied and researched. And I can't believe nobody put it into this simple format, but I have. And now you're invited to join the beta group. Yay for you, at a huge discount from what it's going to be after this beta group. But I'm going to ask for your help to make it absolutely the best it can be so we can really change lives. So let me go through it really quickly with you. You go down to the bottom here and you see the foundation. That is where we start. The first week is going to be know your destination, know what it is that you want, where you want to go, and what the problem is that we're trying to solve, because really that's part of the biggest issue. The second week is know your child. There is so much we don't know, and part of it is because we are learning every day. Research is coming out every day about these little brains and the prefrontal cortex and all the things that our prehistoric brain is teaching us to do or keeping them in, and all the stuff that it really would have helped for me to know. Knowing myself. Okay, this is a really, really big week, and it's so important to understand what it is we believe about our child and ourselves and our parenting and all the fear of the other people judging us as a parent. I know you understand that. Then the fourth week is how to recognize the behavior. These 3 weeks are about formula, about what to do when the behaviors come up. So recognizing why there's the behavior. There's so much I didn't understand about why the behaviors come. So there's a lot of programs out there that help you stop the behavior, but they don't actually teach you how to stop what's happening that causes the behavior. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then we get into the 5th week of reducing the behavior. I know it seems like it takes a long time to get there, but you can't do the formula without the foundation. Then we teach the child and ourselves how to recover and how to prepare ourselves so that the behaviors don't keep coming back, and how to prepare ourselves so that we can avoid them in certain situations. And then when we get to the last 3 weeks, we're in flourishing mode. We now have all the tools that we need to solve any problem. And now we just get to build on that relationship with our child and making everything better. So we're going to learn how to boost yourself, how to boost your child, and how to boost your future, so that there really is just really great times ahead, and that you really, truly love parenting. It's possible, I promise you. So click below, join the beta group. Let's get going and let's knock it out of the ballpark. I am super excited. Thank you. We'll see you soon.